Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete Microsoft Edge from Windows 11 permanently. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you gotta make sure that you do have backup browsers, okay? So as you can see here, I have two. I have Brave and Google Chrome, as well as Edge. Now, if you don't have a browser, just open up Edge for the last time, okay, before you say goodbye. So download Chrome or any other browser. Okay, so as you can see, we have Brave, Firefox, and any other browsers. Okay, so just download one, and once that's done, go ahead over to your start menu, right-click on it, and click on Settings. In the left panel, go ahead over to Apps, and find Default Apps. Click on it. Now in here, just go ahead and look for the browser that you wanted to make as default. As you can see here, I like to use Brave as my default browser, so I'm just going to click on Brave. And here, all you got to do is change everything right here to Brave. Okay, set default. Do the same thing to other services right here that requires Edge. Okay, if you can see Edge right here, change this one to Brave or Chrome. All right, and then once that's done, we can now then go ahead and finally remove or delete Microsoft Edge. So go ahead and open up your browser. For example, I have here Brave. So go ahead and type down Wise Uninstaller, right? Again, Wise Uninstaller from wisecleaner.com. So just click on it. I go ahead and click on free download. There'll be a pop-up. Just save it wherever you want. I'm going to save it on my desktop. And just wait for the download process to finish. Once that's done, I'm going to close the browser. Double click on the installer. Click on yes right here, as there'll be a pop-up. Now just accept the agreement and click on install. Click on finish. Click on yes. Close the browser. Now this one will open. Okay. So what you'll do in here is just basically find Edge. If you can't find it, just type it down right here. Tick on the checkbox. Click on uninstall. Uninstall. Okay. You may get some errors. Just leave it. Click on OK. You can just click on Microsoft Edge right here and then force uninstall. Okay. Click on yes. And wait for the process to finish. Click on remove right here. Now once that's done, just click on OK. Click on no. All right, so go ahead and go to the left panel. We have here Internet Explorer. Tick both of these, uninstall. Go to Microsoft Edge, tick everything, uninstall. All right, again, just wait for it. You may get this notification, Microsoft Edge sync is enabled. Just click on yes right here. And you're done. If you want to, you could uninstall the uninstaller, okay, the Wise program. If not, you could go ahead and use this one to any other software that you wanted to clean install. As you can see here, Microsoft Edge is now blank, okay? So you can just right click on it and unpin it. Yes, and it's gone. That's basically it. That is how you delete Microsoft Edge from Windows 11 permanently. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.